In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos in Notion. By the end, you'll know 2 quick reliable ways to place images exactly where you want them, along with a few practical tips to keep your pages clean and polished. Let's start with the / command, which is perfect when you want a precise, menu-driven workflow. Click into your Notion page and move to a new empty line. Type / followed by the word image. Then press enter. You'll see options to upload a file, add an image by link, or pull one directly from Unsplash. If you choose upload, browse to a photo on your computer. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF work well. Notion will upload and place it right where your cursor was. For link, paste a direct URL to an image. A link that ends in JPG or PNG tends to embed most reliably. If you pick Unsplash, type a keyword, preview the results, and select the one you like. Notion handles attribution automatically, so it's a great choice for quick, high-quality visuals without leaving your page. Once your image is in place, you can refine how it looks. Hover over the image to reveal the handles and drag the sides to resize. If you want to move it, grab the 6-dot handle on the left and drag it to a different spot on the page. You can also drag it beside text or another block to create columns for a more balanced layout. Click Add a caption under the image to provide context, credits, or a short explanation, which is especially helpful when you are sharing a page with collaborators. Now let's look at the drag and drop method, which is the fastest way to bring in files you already have open. On your computer, locate the image you want to use. Click and hold it. Then drag it over your Notion page. As you hover, watch for the blue line that shows where it will land and release to drop it in. This is ideal for adding multiple images. Quickly select several files in your folder. Drag them in together and Notion will place each one as its own image block. If you see a brief loading indicator, just give it a moment to finish uploading, especially for larger files or slower connections. After they appear, you can resize, move, and caption them the same way as before. That's it. With the / command for structured choices and drag and drop for speed, you have everything you need to add photos to Notion smoothly and confidently. Thanks for watching.